10 gorgeous succulent wood planter ideas for your home. Succulents have become a popular trend in recent years, and for good reason. They are low-maintenance plants that come in a variety of shapes and sizes, making them perfect for indoor and outdoor decor. One way to display your succulents is by creating a wood planter. Not only is it an affordable option, but it can also add a rustic and natural feel to your space. Rustic wooden box. Hanging wood planters. Live edge wood planter. Tiered wood planter. Wooden drawer planter. Wood and glass terrarium. Window planter. Monogram planter. Geometric planter. Wood planters are a popular and versatile way to add natural beauty to any indoor or outdoor space. They have been used for thousands of years and are available in a variety of shapes and sizes. Wood planters can be painted or stained to match any decor, and reclaimed wood can be used to create unique and eco-friendly planters. Overall, wood planters offer a beautiful and functional way to incorporate nature into any home or garden. Please visit asucculent.com to read more.